Hello everyone. Today, we'll give you a brief introduction to ZipKing. Before we begin, you need to have ZipKing installed. If you already have it, skip to here to jump straight to the features. Open your browser and visit ZipKing's official website, zipking.wmaster.com. Click Try It Free to download the installer. Locate the ZipKing installer. You just downloaded and double-click to open it. Follow the on-screen instructions in the Setup wizard. Click Install and wait for the process to complete. Once installed, click Finish. Now that you're ready, let's open ZipKing. As soon as you launch it, you'll see 6 main function modules right on the home screen. Let's start with the compression and extraction modules. With compression, you can zip your files easily into formats like zip, 7z, tar, WIM, and EXE. Compress multiple files at once. Customize the compression level, or even add passwords to keep your files secure. Then just click Compress Now. The zip is now on the desktop. Then, we have the extraction module. ZipKing lets you unzip over 70 file formats, including popular types like zip, RAR, 7z, and tar. You can unzip multiple files simultaneously, and even right-click files to quickly extract them without opening ZipKing. Of course, you can also directly drag the compressed package to the ZipKing software interface to complete the file extraction operation. Next is the image compression module. ZipKing makes it easy to compress large images, reducing their size while keeping the quality sharp. Supported input formats include JPG, PNG, WEBP, and WEBP. And you can output compressed images as JPG or PNG. Moving on, let's look at the video compression module. Large videos taking too long to upload or share. No worry, ZipKing compresses video files quickly without losing quality. Input formats include MP4, AVI, WMV, MOV, FLV, and MPG, all conveniently outputting to MP4 format. After adding the video file, click Compress. Almost no change in picture quality after video compression. The PDF compression module helps when you have large PDFs you need to share or upload faster. Drag your PDFs into ZipKing, and it will shrink the file size while keeping text and graphics crisp and clear. And to quickly manage your files, we have the File Management module. Preview what's inside your archives and organize files directly, without even extracting them first. But wait, there's more. ZipKing also features a special hyper-compress mode. Just click on the Hyper portal. You'll see even more specialized tools to further compress your files, including GIF for quick GIF optimization, ID photo compression to keep passport-sized photos clear, Word, PPT, and Excel document compression, audio for compressing MP3, WAV, OGG, FLAC, WMA, and AC3 audio files. One tool to solve all your file compression problems. More exciting tools are on the way. Thanks for watching our tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Click the link in the description to try ZipKing for free. See you in the next video.